Once again, we got the O's with the Vols. When I say O's, I mean old school, 02.
Man, you gotta let them know like that.
We got the O's with the Vols. And we got the news with the shoes. It's a little dark over here though. You know, he got some Vols on the truck. He doing all right with the Vols.
Getting all angles, huh?
I'm trying to. He trying to keep the light off my truck.
Oh, okay. I can't help it. You got a little bad. You got a little cool. You need some more stuff.
All you gotta do is come up between the trucks.
I got another thing. I got this car in my car too.
He know what he doing. He doing it on purpose.
Go around the tree.
He doing it on purpose. Why didn't he get caught on a brick or something?
I was already caught right here.
Look at him. I told you.
That ain't me now.
Caught on the brick.
Still ain't long enough, dude.
You go in between the trucks. You going the wrong way. Look at him. Look at him.
Look how dirty that shit is.
Look at him. Uh-oh. See?
I got a code.
It's sabotage all the way. Sabotage all the way. We unplug. We unplug.